Welcome to LumenSoft video tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to configure and customize the settings of system according to your preferences. There are many features in the system that can be configured according to the needs of each individual business. This video will highlight the configurations you can set up through the Customer Club tab. From the configuration menu, select System Configuration. Now select the Customer Club tab. The Enable Customer Card Security checkbox restricts the user from manually loading the customers on the sales screen. The customers can only be loaded by scanning the customer cards. If you want to restrict the user from clicking F1 on the keyboard or manually loading the customers on the screen, then you will select the Enable Customer Card Security checkbox from the Customer Club tab. This bars the user from clicking F1 on the keyboard to load customers or manually type the customer numbers. The only option left is to scan the customer cards. However, if you want to allow the user to click F1 to load customers or manually load the customers, then deselect the checkbox. Next up is the Enable Customer Club checkbox. If you want to enable the customer definition, customer receipts, customer payments, and customer account closing in the Shop Activities menu and the Customer Club feature, then you will select the Enable Customer Club checkbox. If you want to disable these features, then deselect the Enable Customer Club checkbox. This way, all these menu items will not display in the menu. After this is the Customer Ledger checkbox. This is used for enabling or disabling these four features that are related to the customer ledger. On selecting this checkbox, all these four features are enabled. On deselecting the checkbox, all the four features are disabled from the menu. Next is the Allow Expired Customer on Sales Invoice checkbox. If a customer expires from the Customer Club, then the system does not allow loading the details of such a customer on the sales screen. If you want to allow expired customers to purchase products, then you will select the Allow Expired Customer on Sales Invoice checkbox. Now, the system allows loading of expired customers on the sales screen. On deselecting the Allow Expired Customer on Sales Invoice checkbox, the user is barred from loading any expired customer on the sales screen for any further sales. This is the Visible Customer Personal Information checkbox. If you want to allow the shop user to view the customer information and details through the screen, then you will select the Visible Customer Personal Information checkbox. On selecting the Visible Customer Personal Information checkbox, the shop user can view the customer details through the Customer View screen. On deselecting the checkbox, the shop user can no more view the personal information of the customers. Next is the Membership Fee field that helps you set a fee for enrolling any customer in the Customer Club. On typing the fee in this field, the same fee is displayed at the time of customer definition that you have specified through the Customer Club tab in the Membership Fee field. This is the renewal fee field in which you will specify any additional fee on renewing the customer after expiry from the system. On defining the customer, when you select the Renew card, the Renew field is displayed in the Total Payable field that has been set as the renewal fee in configuration. Next is the customer card expiry date that displays on the customer definition screen. You can alter it by accessing the System Configuration menu and selecting the Customer Club tab. Lastly is the Card Issue Signature field that is used for attaching the scanned signature of the customer with the customer card. Now click Update from the toolbar to update the settings. On printing the card, you will notice the same signature attached along with it. Remember that in case you make any changes in the configuration, don't forget to update them by clicking on the Update button. Otherwise, the made changes will not reflect in the system. In this tutorial, you learned about configuring the company club and its associated attributes. To learn more, please refer to other videos. Thank you for your attention.